In this video, I want to talk about how you can activate your Wise card. Now, there are two different ways to do this depending on which region you're in. So for the first one, which is mainly in the UK, EEA, and Canada, usually you just want to get your Wise card and then you want to try and make your first payment. So this just means you want to put your card into a card reader and then you just want to enter the PIN number. Now, you can do that from here on anywhere. But if it doesn't work for some reason, you want to try and do this at an ATM. Now, the second part, which is mostly for Australia, Brazil, Japan, New Zealand, Philippines, Singapore, and US, you just want to go to Wise, select your card in here, and you can do this on your phone as well. And once you've done this, you want to select the card and click Activate your card. Once you've done this, just enter the code, and then you should be good to go. Now, if for some reason you're in this region and you tried this and it doesn't work, just try this one as well. And that's basically how it works, guys. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.